U.S. Air Force to advance stealthy successor for F-22. A sixth-generation fighter is a conceptualized class of jet fighter aircraft design more advanced than the fifth-generation jet fighters that are currently in service and development. The U.S. Air Force's USAF's Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) fighter remains under wraps, but some clues about capabilities the service wants in the aircraft are surfacing. The sixth-generation fighter aircraft, one full-scale flight demonstrator secretly flew for the first time in 2020, is expected to replace the service's Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor fleet, starting in the 2030s. Lockheed, a leading contender to develop the sixth-generation fighter, says new digital technologies will give NGAD omniscient situational awareness. That is reminiscent of the quarterback role the USAF has given the Lockheed F-35 stealth fighter. That aircraft is increasingly valued by the service for its ability to use its sensors, software and connectivity to survey the battlefield. Whereas past generations of fighter aircraft relied upon speed and maneuverability to defeat foes, it seems the NGAD will lean heavily on stealth characteristics to hide from opponents and on computing power to outsmart them. Disclosures point to a hyper-connected stealth aircraft that will use artificial intelligence programs to rapidly digest and make sense of multiple streams of sensor data, information that will help combat pilots beat their adversaries to the punch. An all-knowing capability also fits into the USAF's desire for an advanced battle management system, ABMS, a battlefield network that would allow pilots to make decisions faster using data gathered from around the combat theater. The USAF awarded Kratos Defense and Security Solutions and General Atomics Aeronautical Systems each a contract to develop an off-board sensing station UAV. Such a loyal wingman would probably fly in advance of NGAD, search for targets and threats using its sensors, such as radar and infrared search and track sensors, and then possibly act as a weapons launch platform. Raytheon, a manufacturer of advanced radars, expects sensors on NGAD to be automatically harmonized to find targets. Some sensors, such as radar, might also be automatically turned off in certain situations to reduce the jet's electronic signature to avoid detection. Being able to rapidly call upon the right sensors could make or break a mission, especially when unexpected threats pop up, he says. It is a concept that goes past the sensor fusion techniques employed aboard the F-35. Potential scenarios might be solved ahead of time by training artificial intelligence (AI) programs using computer simulations of combat. The USAF said the AI software was easily transferable to other systems, and that it planned to refine the technology. Putting AI safely in command of a U.S. military system for the first time ushers in a new age of human-machine teaming and algorithmic competition. Who was Assistant Secretary of the USAF for Acquisition, Technology and Logistics at the time. Failing to realize AI's full potential will mean ceding decision advantage to our adversaries. In other words, asking a pilot to make sense of complex sensor data in the middle of a pitched battle might lose precious seconds to the enemy. We're trying to take some of this workload off the pilot. They are human and they can only do so much. As the systems get more and more complex, it becomes very challenging for them.